Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the center console to remove it, and then ultimately we're going to attempt to see what's going on with my selector here. Now what's been happening is very light, okay, very light, and there's no movement at the neutral switch. So that says to me one or two things. Either the cable here is broken or it has slipped out of place. Alright, so let's see what happens. I've never done this before, and I'm actually at work, so this has got to be pretty quick. So to remove this panel should be pretty easy. There's a clip right here on either side, and then back here there's a Torx, a T20 Torx on either side here, and we're going to be working to remove that. So let's jump right into this one here. Okay, that's done. You can just see the Torx. You can just see the Torx. Let's get right, yes, right there. Okay. Right. That's fucked right up. Have some, let me see if I can see from here. Okay, all right, so I can actually see that it has been so there should be some cables to undo. So there should be some cables to remove, but I can get this out of the way without removing to see what's going on. I should be this, there's a method to this that I'm I'm not entirely sure, but from what I'm seeing here, the cable is undone. It is actually undone. I can actually see it popping on around. Let's see. Okay. Actually, oh wow. Oh wow, this, wow. Let me, guys, take a look at this. So I'm not sure we're gonna be able to see this because it's kind of dark, but let me see. So, let's see. Sorry, I cut you guys off a while ago. So this is the cable here, and let me see. Can we show? For a little bit strain here. Okay. Hang on. Okay, let me see. So, from what I'm seeing, sorry about that, guys. It's gonna be a little difficult for me. Okay. So, right there, you'll notice there's no grommet. There is no grommet on that. So that's why it slipped off. So I'm gonna have to find that grommet, guys, or else it's gonna continue to fall off. Oh wow, that's crazy. See that? There's no grommet. So if I could just do that, it would slip right off. That's crazy. All right, it's not slipped off, at least not at this point. It's back on, but it's probably likely to happen again. But let me work on this some more, see if I can find the grommet, and then yeah, this is crazy. All right, let me see if I can find the grommet. If I can find it, we'll be good. If not, we're not good. All right, see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I was not able to find the grommet. My assumption is that when I had the air conditioning system worked on some time ago, it might have been taken off, slipped off, fallen off something, because they would have had to have taken off all of this to work on the condenser, the heater core, but they didn't work on the condenser, they worked on the evaporator core and the blower. So they would have had to take off all of this, and I'm thinking that probably got, that's the point at which it happened. That was several years ago actually, so I probably got off, you can see. Just as a footnote here, I want you guys to see that white clip there is what I would need to remove to remove the cigarette lighter and the echo switch. Okay, those are the only two electrical items on this panel. But what's happening, I can't remove it because to move it far enough back to clear here, see, I keep hitting on there. So yeah, so that's as much movement as I'm able to get without actually having to, I think, remove this. But the strangest thing is that the manual that I looked at did not mention removing this. But I suspect the manual that I was looking at really was for the US version, which I don't think has this. I'm not sure. I think theirs is a little flatter, so this may not have impacted that at all. Yeah, forget the matches, I don't smoke. Yeah, so I think I would have to remove this to get it off, which I don't need to do because I can see and feel all that's going on. So what I'm going to do for now is just kind of put this back together, but not too much, And then from there, what I'll be doing is just keeping an eye on this. I will be buying a grommet, so this is actually part one of this this video. I've actually looked for the grommet last night, and the price is pretty good. I mean, it's like less than 10 US dollars on Amazon. So I'm gonna try to get it, and so when I do, I will do another video, part 2, and for the installation of that. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2.